So, how to add header and footer for YouTube. This is the header name, okay, and this is the year. If you want to delete this, just go to insert header and remove header. Okay, header is removed. If you want to add a new header, just click on insert, go to header, find out your choiceable header. Okay, you can change it here 2002. Okay, now close header and footer. If you want to add footer for your document, just click on insert, go to footer and find out your choiceable footer. I want to use this type of footer. This, okay. Now, and draw it out, or you can add text. Fine, thank you. Fine, okay, good. Yes, okay. Now close header and footer. Go to drop down, and this is the folder of your document. You cannot sense. If you want to add it, just click the drop key. Okay, type something like .com. And this is the header, and this is the folder. Okay. If you want to add page number, just click insert, find out the page number. This is the page number option. Click on here. Now, where you want to add your page number? Top of the page, bottom of the page, or page margin and current position. Okay, I want to add the top of the page. This is not good for me. Just click on bottom of the page and shows your choiceable one. I want to add this type. This is the plain number two. Okay, right. This is the page number one. This is the page number two. No seven. This is the page number one. This is the page number two. If you want to add again page number, just click on here. You can edit your page number. Okay. If you want to add the page number top, just find out the reasonable one. Okay. This is one. This is here. Go to insert and page number, and this is the page margin. Okay. Select the margin that you want to add with your page. Okay. Or you can remove page number. Just click on here. So this is the basics of your header, footer, and the page number also. Okay. So thanks for